of class 4 Gulmohar. We have already done its first lesson pre-prepared. I have sent you PDF also, videos also, and one worksheet related to this chapter. I hope you have done all the work in your book and notebook both. So now we will start the poem 1 on the bridge. The poet of this poem is Cat Greenway. In this poem, the speaker is standing on a bridge along with his companion or friend. They both talked about the things which they want to see in the river. Here is the poem, children. If I could see a little fish, that is what I just now wish. The speaker is saying, if you want to see anything here at this time, it is a little fish. I want to see his great round eyes always open in surprise. He says that he want to see the eyes of the fish which are opened in surprise. I wish a water rat would glide slowly to the other side, or a dancing spider sit on the yellow flag of it. Again he says that he want to see a water rat which would glide here and there very slowly, or he want to see a spider who is dancing in the water nearby a yellow color flag. I think I'll get some stones to throw and watch the pretty circles so. Now he says that he want to get some stones and he want to throw them in the water. And we all know, children, when we are throwing something in the water, there are round circles in the water and they used to spread towards the banks. So he want to see those circles. Those circles are called ripples. What they are called? Ripples. Those circles made by different. So glide matches with side. We will make it C. Then sit matches with wit. So it is also different from all other words. So it is D. So the rhyme scheme of second stanza is C D. Now in third stanza, children, throw matches with show. This is also different from remaining previous words. So it is E. Now the next, boat float. Right, children? So it is F. So the rhyming scheme of third stanza is EEFF. Now in the last stanza, no matches with go. And children, this no and go matches with throw and show. So you can say this is E and E. Right, children? Then C and C. They are different from others. So it is G and G. So the rhyme scheme of the fourth stanza is EEGG. Now children, you can write the rhyme scheme of full poem now from here and from here. I hope you understand all these rhyme scheme matter. Okay, children. Children, the question answers and exercises of this poem I have done here in the book. I will send its PDF format to you and question answers in written form. Okay, children? Learn this poem nicely and do each and every work in fair copy in a very nice way. The exercises which are having space, do in the book. Which are not having space in book, do in your notebook. And children, please draw the picture of the bridge at the end of the poem's work in your notebook. It should be colored picture of a bridge, just like you see in your book. Thank you. Those circles are called ripples. What they are called? Ripples. Those circles made by throwing a stone in the water, they are called ripples. Or shall we sail a flower boat and watch it slowly float? Again he want to say that he wished to see a small flower boat. He want to sail it in the water and want to see it. He want to watch it slowly moving on the water, floating on the water. That's nice because you never know how far away it means to go. Children, You cannot know how far this flower boat will go. And when tomorrow comes, you see, it may be in the great wide ocean. Here the poet is very positive in this way, and he is having a very positive attitude and optimistic also. He says, it may float for a long, long time, and at the last it can go into the wide sea. It can mingle with the river in the ocean, either in the sea. Children, I hope you enjoyed this poem. Now I want to make one thing clear about the rhyming words. In the poem, there are 4 stanzas in this poem. Children, you are seeing here, you are looking here. And last lines of each stanza, they are having a pattern of last word sound, like fish, wish. So this fish matches with wish. Then eyes, surprise. This eyes matches with surprise. So this first word is A, then again it is A. And this third line is B, then this one is B. Means the rhyming scheme of this first stanza is A, A, B, B. Understand, children? Now, glide and sight, they are not matching with these 4 words, so they are different. So glide matches with side. We will make it C, C.